If you want to increase video brightnesses in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to brighten your footage so it looks clearer, cleaner, and much more professional. This is super useful if your video was shot in low light, looks a little dull, or just needs a quick visual boost before you export it. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your device. Once it loads, you can either create a brand new project or open an existing one if you already have a video started. If you're editing from scratch, just tap on New Project so you can begin importing your clip. Next, choose the video you want to edit from your gallery or media library. After importing it, drag the clip down onto the timeline. This step is important because the timeline is where all of your editing changes will happen. Once the video is on the timeline, tap on the clip so it becomes selected. Now look over to the right-hand sidebar and find the Adjust panel. This is where CapCut gives you access to color and visual controls for your clip. When you open Adjust, you'll see a range of settings that help improve the look of your video. From there, click on HSL. Depending on your version of CapCut, this may appear inside the adjustment tools or as part of the color controls. HSL is useful for refining the way colors and light appear in your footage, and it can help you make your video feel more balanced. After that, locate the brightness slider. Slowly increase the brightness until your video looks clear and easy to see, but don't push it too far. If you raise it too much, your footage can start to look washed out and lose detail. The goal is to make it brighter while still keeping it natural and sharp. As you adjust the slider, keep watching the preview window so you can compare the changes in real time. If the video has dark areas, increasing brightness a little can help reveal details that were hidden before. If your clip already has strong lighting, you may only need a small adjustment. Once the brightness looks good, you can leave the other settings as they are or continue fine-tuning the image if needed. After that, simply review the clip one more time to make sure the final look matches what you want. If everything looks right, you're ready to export your video. And that's how to increase video brightness in CapCut in just a few simple steps. It's a quick fix, but it can make a huge difference in the overall quality of your content. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and comment below if you want more beginner-friendly editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.